Finding the best laptop for programming in 2026 isn't just about the flashiest AI branding. It's about the tool that shapes how you build and ship. Modern development is heavier than ever. Your daily stack likely includes IDEs, local servers, Docker, and cloud tools, all running at once. For a developer, balance beats extremes. A well-rounded machine will always outperform a faster one that throttles under heat. The processor is the core of your machine, but the right choice depends entirely on the specific type of work you're doing. For web development, modern multi-core CPUs are the sweet spot. You need responsiveness for parallel tasks like local servers and testing. Mobile development needs more power. Android Studio, Gradle builds, and iOS emulators are demanding, so don't skimp on modern silicon. Backend engineers need sustained performance for databases and containers. Look for a processor with excellent thermal stability. If you're doing local AI experimentation, you'll want a strong CPU coupled with a capable GPU to support notebooks and iterative testing. A useful rule: buy the current generation you can afford. Modern architectures deliver better performance per watt and better battery life. RAM is one of the biggest quality of life upgrades for programmers. When memory runs out, everything, and I mean everything, slows down. Is 8 GB enough? Only for light learning setups. It's not the best long-term choice for serious professional development work. 16 GB is the mainstream standard. It comfortably handles your editor, dozens of browser tabs, and communication apps all at once. Choose 32 GB if you work with Docker, VMs, or large code bases. It's a smart investment that provides critical future headroom. In practice, more RAM improves day-to-day fluidity more than small CPU upgrades. If budget is tight, prioritize the memory. Storage fills up faster than you'd expect. SDKs, package caches, and build files accumulate quickly, making storage a potential bottleneck. 512 GB is a practical baseline, but 1 TB is far more comfortable if you manage multiple environments or large datasets. Fast NVMe storage improves everything. Boot times, application launches, and dependency installs all feel much snappier. When it comes to operating systems, there's no universal winner. The right choice depends on what you build and where you work. macOS is excellent for mobile dev and Unix-oriented workflows. Plus, it tends to offer the best battery life in the industry. Windows has become a developer powerhouse thanks to WSL. It's the go-to for .NET development and hybrid enterprise workflows. Linux is perfect for cloud and DevOps. It's highly customizable and mirrors server environments, giving you a real technical advantage. Developers stare at code for hours, so the display matters. A sharp, readable screen directly impacts your comfort and productivity. Look for Full HD or better resolution, IPS or OLED panels, and a matte finish to reduce glare and eye strain. A programming laptop is a typing device first. You need comfortable key travel and a layout that feels reliable every single day. Battery life is vital. Your laptop should support real work, like local builds and video calls, without needing a charger for hours. Most programmers don't actually need a dedicated GPU. Integrated graphics are usually enough for web and back-end work. A dedicated GPU is only worth it for machine learning, game development, or GPU-accelerated compute tasks. Don't overbuy what you won't use. Students should focus on reliability and battery life. 16 GB of RAM and a 512 GB SSD is the perfect sweet spot for longevity. Professional engineers need 32 GB of RAM, fast SSD storage, and strong thermals to handle large code bases and sustained workloads. For AI and data work, memory and cooling are paramount. A high-resolution display also helps when switching between notebooks and dashboards. Common mistakes include buying for gaming looks you don't need, or underestimating your memory and storage requirements. Future-proof your purchase by buying enough headroom now. A balanced machine today prevents an expensive upgrade in just 2 years. The best laptop is the one that supports how you actually work. Focus on balance, memory, and comfort above all else. If this guide helped you, share it with another developer. Happy coding, and we'll see you in the next one.